AI feature is definitely like super convenient. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm from JC Company Ltd, located in Belize City, Belize, and we are a pawn and a retail jewelry store. I stopped at the booth here at JCK, and immediately I noticed the camera feature, how detailed the pictures were. The 360 camera I really loved. I think it's so convenient to take a snapshot of the entire item in 15 seconds, and you could automatically link it to your website, to your email, to send out to clients, and I just think it's a great product overall. I also thought the AI feature where it gives it a description of the item was really cool. It can make your inventory a lot easier so you don't have to take time describing the item. That feature really stood out to me, and I'm sure my team will love it back home, that they don't have to spend a lot of time thinking of how do we describe this item or what do we call this. So the AI feature is definitely like super convenient. Currently, my inventory team, they've been using just an iPhone camera and a little black light box that they have. With the GemLightbox, I think it'll definitely make things easier. I'm sure it's going to help social media with making the quality of the pictures a lot brighter. And I think everyone on my team will be super happy with the 360, the quality, and the AI feature, just so that we could really get the ball rolling and getting these items out of our store. So lately we've been getting into lab-grown diamonds a lot, and I just placed a big order for some lab-grown, and I'm very excited to put it all in the GemLightbox and have it out on our social media. I think it'll definitely catch the eye of our customers, and if anything, they'll come into the store so that they could see all these bright and shiny products that we have available.